Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Remitly to Saudi Arabia. First you have to select the country. Here you just need to search for Saudi Arabia, and here it is. After selecting the country you can see the account status will change. From here you can see it's changed to Saudi Arabia, and here you will find the best exchange rate here. Then you just need to click on this send money, or here you will find the send money option. Click on it. From this send money page you can enter the amount that you want to transfer to Saudi Arabia. For example, I'm entering this amount and it will automatically convert to the Saudi Arabian currency, and here is the fee and the fee discount for the first time transfer. And by clicking on continue you will find the cash pickup option. There is only one option available, that is Muhammad Hassan Yala Sons Exchange. You just need to click on it. Then enter the recipient's name. You have to enter the first name and the last name. Then you have to enter the recipient's ID of Muhammad Hassan Yala Sons Exchange account. Make sure that your recipients have the account on this exchange, so you can send the money to this exchange and your recipient will got this money. Then after that you just need to enter your information, like your personal information and your financial information, or you just need to add the payment details that you want to use in this transfer. Then after confirming all this process, you and the recipient will get a receipt about this transfer. That's how you can transfer money from Remitly to Saudi Arabia. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.